Hey there, World History. We are into our next little mini unit, Unit 4, and this is the spreading of those ideas that we kind of come to know in our previous unit, okay? So that rebirth kind of begins with the Renaissance and it continues into the age of discovery and exploration. And so new ideas have caused Europeans to make faster and more maneuverable ships, which we'll learn a little bit about, and it allows Europeans to travel faster and further than they ever could before. Europeans arrive in the Americas, right, in this time period, and they begin to colonize the area. And this spreads everything from animals to diseases, and it begins what is known as globalization, meaning like we as a globe are now very close together, right? So we will not likely be watching this in this course, but I would highly recommend that you take a look at Guns, Germs, and Steel. It's actually 3 parts, but the second part is what I'm referring to with this. It truly is life-changing. It has a what do you call it? A part of it that talks about how geography really makes it so Europeans are the conquerors of the world and not others, okay? Spoiler alert, I know. I'll leave it here at the bottom of the page, and as usual, you have essential questions and learning objectives. You can watch as much or as little as the video if you want, but it really does actually help out with your understanding of the unit as a whole, okay? As always, let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much, you guys.